Hi, Adrienne here. In this video I would like to show you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. Here I have a picture and I am going to zoom in to see her teeth more closely because I would like to make a selection of her teeth. Choose your favorite selection tool that you would like to use and select the teeth. I am trying to only select the teeth itself. I'm not going to be too precious this time because I just would like to show you how to do this. So this will not be that perfect selection. We are going to use two adjustment layers to whiten her teeth. It's quite easy to do it. This is our first selection, and I am going to select her lower teeth as well, so I am going to hold Shift to add to this selection. Now I let the Shift go and just click and do the second selection. Once you are finishing the selection, you will see a circle. It means that you are going to close the selection itself. Okay, now what else we can do is modify our selection with some feather. 5 pixels is great. And now I am going to make a new layer, clicking on the new layer button. And now I am going to make a group holding Ctrl G. And we need this group because we will put the adjustment layers inside the group. But first, let's make let's first add the layer mask by clicking on this add layer mask icon, and I am going to do this on the group itself. And this will be useful because if you put any layer inside this group, then the layer mask will be applied on it, and this will make our work faster. For example, if you put lots of layers, lots of adjustment layers inside this group, then you don't need to add the layer mask on to each of them because this one will do the job. Okay, now let's whiten her teeth. First of all, click adjustment and choose hue saturation, and here you can see here saturation, and if you click this and hold it and bring it to the left, you will see that it will make it more grayer. So it is removing the color information from the photo from her teeth. So the more to the left you bring it, the more grayer it will look like. This looks quite unnatural, so choose something that's not yellow but not too grayish. For example, this will do the job. Now the second step is to whiten the teeth. For that, click adjustments, we will make another adjustment layer and choose curves. And here grab the curves here somewhere, it's more than half, and bring it upwards. And as you can see, her teeth are already a lot whiter than they were. If we zoom out, we can see it a bit better. I would like to set it white as well, close in brightness like her t-shirt, but still look natural. So you can play with this as you would like to. That's too much. That's way too much. Bit less is more enough. And if you click on the icon of the group itself, you can see the before and after. Before and after. That's why it's good that we have this group, because we can easily turn it off and turn it on again to see the differences. And we can remove the empty layer because we don't need it. I will delete that, so only the adjustment layers remain. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is how easy it is to whiten the teeth. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching it. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.